Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to use Surfshark VPN for torrenting. Now, using Surfshark VPN for torrenting is a straightforward process that helps you protect your privacy and data securely while downloading or sharing files. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to make sure that you have a premium plan and that you have already created your account. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Surfshark account. When you're logged into your account now, you can just go ahead and connect to a server location or a VPN. And for torrenting, it's recommended to choose a server location that allows P2P traffic and offers optimal speed and performances as well. Also, make sure to enable the kill switch feature on the Surfshark. So for that case, go to your settings and then go to VPN, and here make sure to enable the VPN kill switch feature. Now you can just exit out of your Surfshark and then launch your preferred torrent client software on your device, or a popular torrent client including uTorrent, BitTorrent, or QBitTorrent, and transmission, all that. And once connected to the Surfshark VPN server and with your torrent client open, and you can start downloading or sharing torrent files as usual. Now, Surfshark VPN encrypt your internet traffic and mask your IP address, providing an additional layer of privacy and security for your torrenting activity. So that's how you can use the Surfshark VPN for torrenting. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.